In this short video, we'll look at fertilisation, part of your IGCSE Biology course. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, identify animal and plant gametes accurately. Second, describe fertilisation as the fusion of male and female gamete nuclei. And third, know that fertilisation produces a single new cell called a zygote. Living things make sex cells called gametes. In animals, the sperm is the male gamete, and the egg cell is the female gamete. Each gamete carries half of the genetic information needed to make a new organism. In flowering plants, a pollen grain is not itself the male gamete. It carries the male gametes. The ovule contains the female gamete, or egg cell. Fertilisation begins when a male gamete reaches a female gamete. Their nuclei fuse to form one new cell. The joining of the male and female gamete nuclei is called fertilisation. This restores the full amount of genetic information. The cell produced by fertilisation is called a zygote. In humans, fertilisation usually happens in the oviduct, where a sperm cell reaches the egg cell. The sperm and egg nuclei fuse, forming a zygote. The zygote then divides by mitosis to form an embryo. In flowering plants, a pollen grain lands on the stigma at the top of the carpel. The pollen grain grows a pollen tube through the style towards an ovule. A male gamete travels down the tube and fuses with the female gamete inside the ovule. The fertilised ovule develops into a seed. Let's check what you've learned. Question 1. What does a pollen grain carry? Question 2. What does fertilisation produce? Question 3. In humans, where does fertilisation take place? Pause the video and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. 1. Male gametes. 2. A zygote. 3. In the oviduct. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.